Hey, how we doing, people? It's your boy BitBoss coming at you with another video. Today we're gonna go over CoinDesk, some new news that's coming out, and but first we're going to make a reinvestment here on BitConnect, so we're gonna go through this simple reinvestment. It's what I do just about every day. We have an active investment right now of $780. Total earned $296.78, and we're getting ready to invest $10 more. So let's go ahead and do so. Hit the reinvest button. $10 down there at the bottom, and confirm everything. Done. Just that easy. Okay. Make sure it went through. The new active investment should be $790. It is. And we're in business. There we go. Let's check the volatility. What it's going to be here in the next couple days or so. It's down pretty low. I think our average is about 85 cents or so, or 85%. Oh no, it's even down to 78% now, average. But today is 0.04%. Jeez. And then tomorrow's is even worse than that. So 0.04, or it's the same, 0.04 again. So yeah, not looking too good right now on BitConnect. But you know, you have your high times, you have your low times. BitConnect right now is at 58.75. Now's the time to buy. The hard fork is still next week. B-Gold is coming on the 25th next week. So now is a great time to buy. The BCC coin is down to 203. I say down because I've seen it at 217. 203 is phenomenal. I'm still very happy about that. And yeah, man, things are progressing. So, let's see here. What was I gonna do? Oh, check out the news. See what's going on in the news. Bear with me 1 second here. There we go. All right, let's see. Let's check this out here. Rapid adoption of Bitcoin, mainstream media, institutional investors, merchants. Let's see here. Bitcoin price has surpassed the $4,000 mark. It's actually surpassed the $5,000 mark now. And actually surpassed the $6,000 mark, I should say, and achieves its new all-time. This is an old article. Good lord, this is old. We don't even care about this. Let's go over to CoinDesk and see what they got to say. CoinDesk going on this morning. Thinking big. Bank blockchains will advance by doing everything but. Let's see what this is about. This is their top story of the month on CoinDesk. Always good to read up on information, people. See what's going on in the crypto world. Noel Atkinson is a 10-year-old veteran of company analysis, corporate finance, and fund management, and a member of CoinDesk's product team. The following article originally appeared in CoinDesk Weekly, a custom curated newsletter delivered every Sunday exclusively to our subscribers. While blockchain news may seem flooded these days with bank-sponsored projects either launching or hitting milestones, readers will be forgiven or feeling overwhelmed. There are many big names, true, but the projects themselves seem, in general, small. This may be largely accurate, but it is misleading. As everyone knows, finance is a huge field comprised of a vast array of intersecting and intertwined activities, but it's difficult to appreciate just how complicated it is. The extent to which each step depends on several others, and the risks inherent in just about every one, highlight the fragility of the current system and point to how it will evolve. Take, for example, the report from earlier this week that Spanish bank BBVA is working on a quarter-based pilot to improve foreign exchange FX matching. FX is one of the largest asset groups trading on capital markets around the world. Matching, validating information and pairing buy and sell orders is, however, just one step in FX trading, and it doesn't even touch the concept of settlement and payment. However, a blockchain-based process could, in theory, enhance platform compatibility, reduce the amount of errors, and make the process more transparent, lowering trading costs and supporting liquidity. Start small, aim high. As another example, the past week, French bank BNP Paribas revealed it is working on a blockchain platform to improve corporate action announcements, such as dividend payments and stock splits. Note that the actual payments and splits will not themselves be executed on the platform. It just aims to improve the verifiable and unhackable delivery of the information. While this may not sound like a big deal, it is. Corporate actions typically affect the value of the security and errors. One recent study showed that almost 10% contained factual inaccuracies and over 20% were incomplete, can produce material losses. If you look at other bank-related news from the past few weeks, you'll see a similar trend. Big names in finance looking at potential blockchain impact on relatively small parts of their activities. But the small parts generally have big impacts. They provide the plumbing that makes the flashier aspects of finance run smoothly. Making them more efficient will have a direct effect on other parts of the system, including the bank's bottom line. Nevertheless, this may seem like a cautious dipping of the toe into blockchain waters. Where are the grand goals? Where is the more resilient financial structure that the new technology promised? Building blocks. It is slowly emerging through piecemeal trials and tentative implementations. This is how the blockchainization or finance will happen, bit by little bit. Banks are not going to think big, quote unquote, with such a new and relative untested concept, nor should they, given their operation systemic importance. Modest trials, on the other hand, are not only an opportunity for financial institutions to test the technology within a manageable scope and budget, they are also the only process regulators will allow. A sweeping shift in how information and value is handled will no doubt frighten the overseers into taking preventative measures. Small steps, each rigorously tested, are unlikely to set off alarms. Also, this approach is scalable. If, for instance, BBVA finds that the blockchain platform for FX matching provides tangible positive results, the test can be opened up to other banks and can be expanded to include other financial assets. The small connections, when put together, will make up the big picture by implementing improvements step by step and then scaling where possible. And the focused projects that today seem limited will one day coalesce to reveal the full potential of a new way of handling finance. Meanwhile, we should pay attention to the baby steps. We will soon see that they are not so baby after all. Right on. Right on. Alright, thanks a lot for tuning into the news this morning. This is your boy BitBoss. Knowledge is power. Go get that money.